Today then, a new contender in the sub 250 gram challenge that I've set myself. I think this is almost the last one. It's certainly the most expensive. This is the UMX Turbo Timber. It's a 2S brushless 3-bladed prop, as you can see. Has all the fancy lights and flaps and things, which I won't be using today, but we'll look at in the future. Let's see if I can fly it. Completely windless day, so it's perfect for a test flight. First flight of the UMX Turbo Timber.
Throttle disabled. Throttle active.
Okay, let's see how we get on. Whoop. Well, that's interesting. An exciting takeoff there. That's hands off, level flight, that's good. Lovely little flyer. Just a little 2-cell 400 milliampere hour, I think it is. Well, I'm loving this. Obviously it's in the safe mode, so there's not very much that I can do to cause it grief. Of course, I've got the AS3X stabilisation also on the UMX X. Let's try taking this out of safe for a moment.
AS3X
So that's the AS3X just in the sort of medium mode there.
Safe mode.
Safe mode saves me there. It'll take a little bit getting used to, I think, for my first flight. We'll just keep it in there with the safe. Certainly looks nice in the air there, completely stable as you'd expect. There's no wind anyway. Well, I think this is going to be a favourite, but perhaps, given the cost of it, that's not a surprise. Almost a stall tone there. Very, very docile in flight. I think once I get used to the AS3X mode, this is going to be quite something. So you can fly it slowed down. I don't think I've got over half throttle yet. Let's
1 minute.
get up to full throttle. Yeah, I think it can certainly motor along when it needs to. I think for today I'll just poodle around. I'll put the slats on the wings. They do say that enables it to fly slower. I haven't tried the flaps at all. If we just motor off there, almost a touch and go. Beautiful. Touch and go there. Well, if I can do that on my first flight, then that says more for the
Timer 1 elapsed.
says more for the plane than it does for my flying skills. The dog's barking is because there's a local dog pound right behind me, and the natives are obviously getting restless. So my timer has expired, but I think this could fly practically all day. It weighs nothing. The second flight, I'm just going to take off in the opposite direction as there's no wind. Let's see how we get on. Second flight. Very smooth and slow. Excellent flyer. Keep out of the way of Tom whilst he's landing. Well, I'm impressed. This is absolutely fantastic little flyer.
3 minutes.
Requires no effort at all to fly this. Thoroughly recommended.
2 minutes.
As you can see, you can slow it right down. No drama. And if you've only got a small space, not a problem. Before I flatten the battery completely out, let's gain a bit of height.
1 minute.
And then try it again in the AS3X Med mode.
AS3X Med. Safe mode.
Overly confident there.
AS3X Med. Safe mode.
Yeah, so I think until I get a little bit more used to it, we'll stick to the safe mode now. Okay. I think I should be landing soon as well. I think I'm losing a little bit of power now.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Well, there she is, the UMX Turbo Timber. Absolutely lovely little plane. Well, there we have it then, the UMX Turbo Timber. Outstanding little flyer. It's outclassed now my previous favourite, the EA Sheen or Valantex Sport 500. This has a lot more potential, obviously, with the flaps and such like. And I think you're going to be seeing much more of this. Thoroughly recommended.